Hi, this is Dr. Harvey, and I am going to give you an orientation to our course, which is INTC 5330, Integrating Technology in the Curriculum. The first thing you should see whenever you come into the course is the course information page. You'll be able to access it over here on the left. And I put the syllabus in there, which you can take a look at by clicking on it. And you'll be able to review the curriculum whenever you want. It has all the basic information on class format, attendance rules, things like that, as well as all the assignments, how much they're worth, what my goals are for the course, how you'll be assessed, and the different things you have to do each week during the course. I've set up the course so that it depends on your context, so those of you in K-12 education can go and use all the topics that are related to K-12 education. Higher education would be the other group, and those of you in business and organizations would follow this last column. So for the first week, K-12 educators are going to talk about BYOD, higher education talks about online discussion, and business and organization people would talk about just-in-time training. And we'll do that all the way through. And there'll be a few weeks where I'm going to ask you to develop the curriculum map, which I've got resources for. And by the end of the course, you're going to create a final screencast that provides us with the final curriculum map. Also within here, and as well as on the side, you have the course calendar. Which will provide you with a calendar look at all the things that we have to do. So it'll show you when the module begins and when it ends and what's due by then. Come back over to the side here. All the information for the course modules, so for each module, will be located here. You only see these as they become available. So when you begin a course, you should probably only see Module 1, and Module 2 will be revealed on September 10th, etc., etc. I'll have those up for noon on whatever day that the module starts. And whenever you see the module, you can go into the module, and you would choose the context that's related to you. So if you're a K-12 educator, you would open up the K-12 educator module folder. Higher education people would go here, and business and organization people would go here. And how it looks once you go inside is I will have any of the information that you need to do the course that week here. So in this particular case, I have the readings here. I'll add things like videos or web links that I want you to look at, and they'll all be accessible here, and you'll be able to click on them and open them up. And then I've also got the link to your discussion forums. So every week I'm going to give you a discussion forum that you need to go into. You'll see all your other group members in there, and you'll be able to go into the discussions here. I will create the thread for every topic, and then you'll be able to go in there. It will load the thread, and I'll have any information that you need in order to complete the discussion thread for that week and complete the activity. And usually it'll be a rationale that you have to post by 11 o'clock on the Wednesday when it's due. And that's generally it. Now, as well with the course modules, I've also got resources here for your curriculum maps. So if you go here, you'll be able to see examples for each of the contexts. So you'll see some examples. You don't have to necessarily follow these verbatim, but they might give you an idea of exactly how you might want to go about creating your own. So for example, if I click on the higher ed one, it shows you how this works. Here's the course along the top. Here's the outcome that's wanted, and it sort of says what level here. Is it just introductory? Is it reinforced? Is it mastery and assessed? Again, you don't have to use this particular model. I'm just giving you these so you have something to go on. If you want to use a different kind of model, that's fine. Just let me know what it is. Also, I have a screencasting resources folder here for you as well, and it gives you some links to the different screencasting tools. I prefer two. One is called Screencast-O-Matic, which is what I'm using to record this right now. The other one is Screencast-ify, which is an extension for Google Chrome. So you'll be able to use one of these two. If you want to use something else like Jing or Camtasia, just let me know and I'm willing to let you do that as well. But these are ones that I know and trust, and they're also free for the most part, so you wouldn't have to spend any money to get them. And I also have a link here for tips on creating good screencasts that I'd like you to go over, and just so you have some ideas of what makes for a good screencast. And that's the course. So we'll start this up. You'll be able to access this as of noon on Thursday, September 3rd. And if you have any questions, my information is in the syllabus. You can email me, you can call me. I'm willing to do whatever it takes to make sure you have a really good experience here. And I look forward to having you in class. Thanks.